So we're on the job site. We got the dump trailer first load full. We opened up the deck framing and got a good chance to inspect it, and it's not looking too great. We're gonna remove the whole frame here. Plan is to get the ledger done today, all new flashing, start digging our footing, hopefully get some framing done. We'll see.
A few moments later.
You see behind me, we got the girder up and we got the two side bands up and the ledgers in. It's a beautiful scenery in the back here, right on a golf course. We just gotta watch out for those balls every once in a while flying over our heads. Slide to the left.
Slide to the right. Bring it back now, y'all. Never mind, don't bring it back.
All right, we're starting our stairs here. Looks like this concrete pad was poured the last time they did the deck here. It's not off by much. I'm gonna cut a bird mouth so they kind of sit here on the corner. Let's see what my run is. So this is gonna be my total run. I'm okay with that. So I've got my level line here. That's my total rise, which from this is gonna be 35 3/4. 47 1/2 is my run. So now we get to do the calculations. God, I'm digging these tunes. Love me some Progressive House, dude. Nice. Good morning, everybody. We are on day 3 here, and we got all the framing complete yesterday. We're working on the cladding framing. I'm gonna get the stairs built and hopefully start on the treads and risers. Fascia detail is going to get started and hopefully finish today as well. Perfect. Now we just got a block between them. Cutting all the 20-foot long deck boards that we ordered to fit half of the deck size. Now the reason why we got 20s is because that cutoff we're going to use for the cladding wall. And the reason why we do this is because it's a lot cheaper when we order extra long boards with the purpose of using the cutoffs for cladding. The goal is to get all of them cut, hung up as many as we can, and I'm going to get working on the stair fascia and all the stair treads. All right. All the tapping is done. God forbid we have to tap anymore. All right, so first order of business, I'm going to get my 1/2 by 12 fascia put on. So I'm going to get that ready. I'm trying to get as less visible 2 by 12 down here. So corner, yeah, right there. Guys, here's a good note about this kind of this is the composite series from TimberTech. When you use this countersink bit, it's going to leave some of this plastic just shaving crap that doesn't really quite come off. The best way to solve this problem is with a heat gun. It just melts it right off real easily, and then you can just brush it off.
Dude, come on now. Dude, that's money, baby.
I don't think I could have done any better.
Yeah, but now it's gonna. Okay.
Good morning, guys. We are on day 4, and we're gonna get our decking started today. When we're cutting up any kind of PVC or composite with the table saw, we use a bucket. It's kind of nice, that stuff not blowing all over people's property. Glue just really makes it easier when I'm doing the.
Oh, you know what we can do?
Oh, okay.
Everything.
Some batteries.
It's adorable, dude. I'm absolutely. He loves it, huh?
What is it? Oh no. Oh no. Always start with the bottom tread. All the decking got done. All the cladding got done. All the fascia got done. The stair treads are finally done.
Raft.
Tomorrow we're going to finish up the picture frame and we're going to start the porch renovation.
That's right.
Hey, we need your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just go ahead and do it now. It's time.
Our jig here that is going to be used to make our pilot holes. Glue and activator to let it harden instantly.
We are on hopefully what we're calling the final day of install on the deck, and we just started to do the tongue and groove ceiling inside the porch. We still have to get the bottom plates, the top plates, and the rails done in there, and hopefully we can get started on that. We are going to be building the Classic Composite Series TimberTech Railing. This is with the round aluminum 29-inch balusters. The aluminum rails suck. I'd much rather install a composite bottom rail. Just food for thought.
You want to try to get the composite.
All right, guys, we are wrapping it up for the day. We have gotten all the horizontal rails done on the deck. We just got to get the stair rails done, and then we got to install the top deck board for the drink rail. Another thing that we got going on today is that porch renovation. The guys are working very hard on trying to get the bottom plates and the top plates installed. There's been a lot of modifications that needed to be done in order for this to work, where it actually looks decent. Now, the porch floor is a concrete floor and it's sloped downwards to the corner. Don't really know why, because it is fully covered, but we are working around that and trying to keep everything nice and level. We're going to hide the gaps underneath that bottom plate with a piece of 1x2, and it's going to act like a baseboard. Now we're going to have to also do some masking up at the top where the posts meet the existing fascia because of how we had to frame up this porch. Painter's going to come by and make this look really nice and finished. We're going to come back once all that's painted, and then we're going to add the screenies system and the new maybe Larson door. I don't know. We're still trying to figure out what kind of door we want here. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow, and we're going to clean up now and get some good rest and try to knock this thing out tomorrow.
The finale of this Acorn deck, baby!
So guys, this is the screen porch, and the client has requested that we install these types of rails. Normally we wouldn't. However, we kind of figured out a way to do it where it still looks decent once we get the install done and the screens installed. The idea is we got to notch a little bit of space out for the screenies frame system where it's going to be attached to the front face of the 6x6 post. All right, guys, it's steady raining, but we're still working.
Acorn don't have no quit, baby.
The drink rail is up, it's installed, screwed in from the bottom. Let me show you the screws that we're using, because the ones that come with the pack, don't use them. These ones are going to hold a lot better. They're going to dig a lot easier, and they're not going to break on you. The ones that come with it seem to be snapping. The heads keep snapping off, which kind of makes the rails look like poop, you know? So we don't want that. We're going to use the good stuff for these really important details.
Do better.
And they're all in for the win. We still got the lights to do. So the electrician's going to come by. He's got a receptacle to install so that way the transformer can be installed where it needs to be. We got all pigtails done for the lights. The lights are going to be installed by the electrician that follows right behind us. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got a lot more content that you guys are definitely going to want to check out.